welcome back. This would be what I call my first installment of fake knife reviews. Why am I calling it that? Well, this particular one is from OerLa Tack, and this is called the Transformers Decepticon Folding Knife. And the reason that I'm telling you this is a fake knife review is because this is a knockoff of a knife that is made by the knife factory called the Decepticon. It is an assisted opening. They say it is the fastest assisted opening available. It is not a light knife. It is 8.8 ounces, and you can see they just keep sandwiching layers of metal. So if you're looking for a really light EDC knife, this one probably isn't it. If you're just looking for, maybe you have a collection of knives and maybe you have a knockoff collection, by all means. I'll have all the information down below. The reason I thought I'd tell you about it is because I think it's a damn cool looking knife, and it qualifies for Prime on Amazon, and you can get it for $35. Now, I was reading the reviews. You just gotta laugh. It's what some people put down, and oh yeah, and I'm also having a little Knob Creek. Oh, but don't worry, the Knob Creek feels safe too. You never know. So I just wanted him to be okay, so he'll be right over here. So I'm reading the reviews, and it's been reviewed 43 times, and it has a 4.5 out of 5 stars. But of course, you click on it, and there's a couple that gave it a 1, and one of them, the guy's like, obviously it's fake. No shit. Really? It's $35. If you want this knife, and I challenge you just to go take a look at the Knife Factory's Decepticon. That knife right now at Blade HQ is sold out, and it is over $1,000 for this knife. They actually make a Decepticon 1, 2, and I think a 3. But if you want to go with the 1, which is a knockoff, I'm not sure what the real one is made out of. This one is, and again, you guys that do numbers, here's what I will be saying. This is 9CR18 MOV blade, stainless steel and stainless steel handle. Overall, in case you're someplace that overall it's 9 inches, I'm saying it's probably considered a 4.5 inch blade. There is no spring or anything. It's just very smooth. You can see the washers in there, brass washers. And I don't know if it's just because of the weight. The detent isn't really intense. There was one guy that left a comment that he really liked the knife, but watch it if you're just carrying it in your pocket, because he said that it opened in his pocket and then he stabbed himself with it. Oops. But this is the only knife that and I've tried a few others that were very similar to this. This is the only one that I can go, now I'm not even going to touch the flipper. So if you're looking for something that you can carry and use as like an EDC or a beater or whatever, and you just want to be able to have something that's going to be the fastest that you could, I mean, it's literally a flick of the wrist and it's open. Don't have to have it. The little trick where you put the whatever the hell they are, the zip tie on here so it opens when you pull it out of your pocket. I mean, you just put it in your hand and just flick it, and it's open. It's locked. The blade centering is really good. It's like I said, it's a big beefy knife. But I thought it had a very cool design, and for $35, I was like, what the hell, I'll give it a try. And being that I like it, I decided to show it to you guys and call it what it is. Fake knife review. Out of the box, it's very sharp, and it shaves right out of the package. So, yeah, I said package. Belt clip is not changeable in any way. You get it on this side. It's very beefy. I have to say, at first I thought it was kind of weird that the belt clip kind of sticks out like that. But when it comes to quickly putting it in your like front pocket or your back pocket of your pants, because it's already basically already set and ready to go for you, it works out pretty fast. A possible lanyard tie-off spot. And again, non spring. There's no assisted spring or anything. But as far as, like I said, as opening goes, if you just want to be able to do something like that, there you go. I will put all the information down below if you want to go over to Amazon and maybe pick one of these up. Like I said, Prime, $35. Or you can get the real one for, let me check, the actual price over at Blade HQ on the real one is $1,070. Wow, you could literally just bust these and throw them away for a long time before you got to that level. So, okay guys, there you go. That is the OerLa TAC Transformers Decepticon folding knife. $35, Amazon. Cheers, guys.